Hello, and welcome to the Eco Certifications channel, the Green Tourism channel. Sustainability audits are essential for demonstrating your hotel's commitment to environmental and social responsibility. But to succeed, it's crucial to avoid common pitfalls that can delay certification or lead to non-compliances. Here are the top 10 mistakes to avoid in your sustainability audit. 1. Lack of preparation. Waiting until the last minute to gather documents or train staff creates stress and risks missed requirements. Try to get ready way in advance, and keep the last days before the audit as a time buffer. 2. Incomplete or disorganized documentation. Auditors need clear, accurate evidence. Missing records or scattered files slow down the process and raise questions. 3. Ignoring staff engagement. Sustainability is a team effort. If your staff don't understand their role, daily practices won't align with audit criteria. This lack of commitment will be clearly visible during the audit. 4. Poor communication. Not informing all departments about audit dates, audit process and expectations leads to confusion, gaps and lack of readiness. 5. Overlooking small details. Even minor non-compliances, like missing signatures, unclear labels or to provide non-updated documents, can impact your audit result. 6. Greenwashing or overstating practices. Auditors verify facts and can easily recognize greenwashing practices. Exaggerating achievements damages credibility and can jeopardize certification. 7. Lack of internal audits or checks. Regular self-assessments catch issues early and prepare your team for the official audit. Internal audits are ideal trainings for external audits. 8. Not addressing previous non-compliances. Failing to close past corrective actions shows poor follow-up. It weakens your program and the commitments that you are trying to show to the auditor. 9. Neglecting supplier compliance. Your sustainability depends on your partners. Unvetted suppliers can create hidden risks, especially if some audit criteria are directly related to your supply chain. 10. Not setting clear objectives or improvement plans. Without goals and continuous improvement, your sustainability efforts may stall after certification. The evolution of your sustainability plan will decrease, and it will be visible on your annual report. In summary, avoid these common mistakes to ensure a smooth and successful sustainability audit, saving time, resources, and stress. Want a detailed checklist or audit preparation guide? Subscribe to the channel or reach out. We'll help you get certified with confidence. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to support the channel, like and share our videos, and subscribe to the channel. See you soon.